Welcome back to San Antonio, travelers. This is a view of the sculpture from the chart room. As we walked back to the river walk, we passed by a bunch of sculptures from the Institute of Mexico. There are so many statues and so much history here. We got caught in a thunderstorm with warm rain, Texas style. There's just something so different about Texas steaks. And yes, Blue Belle is still the best ice cream in the country. This live oak is just mesmerizing. Remember the Alamo. Elevator go up. Look at that view. Yep, we're still going up. Holy moly, we're high. Nearly there. And that is the elevator ride to the chart room.